Okay, the balustrades were here already. They are original, but with the other works that have taken place, there was a requirement just to improve them a little bit. And from a health and safety point of view, it's really important.
There were some challenges, yeah, with access to the site because we couldn't get any vehicular access here. So all of the waste had to go out and be straight into a skip and away. So quite manual in that sense. We hoped the weather would be good, and the weather held out very, very well when we were doing the work.
It's the original front door key from when they were built, they were finished in 1659.
I think just to say that we're pleased to see the back of it now, aren't we really?
Yeah.
That it's all been done and everybody's really happy.
Oh.
And everybody's settled in and they really love it.
Yes.
It's nice to have all the residents back.
Yes, yeah.
I think the whole project's been a huge success, and it's all thanks down to these guys, really.